Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to dissolve an LLC in a clear and practical way so you can close your business properly without legal issues. First, you need to review your LLC operating agreement. This document usually outlines the steps required to dissolve the company, including member approval and voting requirements. Make sure all owners agree before moving forward. Next, hold a formal vote if your LLC has multiple members. Document the decision to dissolve and keep it for your records, as some states may require proof of approval. After that, you'll need to settle all outstanding obligations. This includes paying off debts, closing contracts, notifying vendors, and making sure employees, if any, are properly handled with final payments. Now, go to your state's official website and file Articles of Dissolution. This is the legal step that officially closes your LLC with the state. There may be a small filing fee depending on your state. Before submitting, check if your state requires tax clearance. Some states need confirmation that all taxes are paid before they approve dissolution. Next, cancel your EIN with the IRS by sending a letter stating that your business is closing. Also, file your final federal and state tax returns and mark them as final. Don't forget to close your business bank account, cancel licenses and permits, and update any registrations tied to your LLC. Finally, keep copies of all documents for future reference in case of audits or legal questions later. Subscribe the channel for more videos.